All right, in this little video demonstration, we're going to be collecting the data for your colligative properties worksheet. So just copy down in the order that they appear on the worksheet, the boiling points and freezing points after the solutions are made, and then you will answer the question. So this is the 100 grams of water and 10 grams of sucrose, and notice we're set on hot. So this is going to be the boiling point for that one. So you'll notice in each of these, we mixed in this sugar. You mix in the solute, whatever it is, into the water in this little tank here. There's a thermometer. Heating it up, you are also at the beginning asked to record the normal boiling point of water. So there it is. There's a normal freezing point. There's the KB value and KF constant. So those you should write down. And then you have 100.12 for your boiling point. And I'm going to click over to the next. So now we're going to do cold, reset, cold, and same sucrose, 10 grams. If you feel the need to at any time, you can pause the video. So this is going to be the freezing point. So notice the temperature is going to be going down. All right, so negative, let's say negative 0.51 degrees Celsius for that one. All right, reset. And now we'll do the sodium chloride next. And that one's going to be 1.7 grams, which is going to give us the same molality, which is moles per kilogram of solvent. If I could just get this adjusted, that would be great. Oh, good, it'll let me type it in. All right, and we'll start with hot. So again, this is 1.7 grams of sodium chloride. So you'll notice the boiling point and freezing point of pure water is the same in every case, and so are the constants, the KB, which is for the boiling point constant, and KF, freezing point constant. So 100.29, write that down, and go to cold. So this will be the freezing point for sodium chloride, 1.7 grams. We have negative 1.06, negative 1.06. All right, reset. And now we're going to go to calcium dichloride, 3.2 grams. There we go. Start with hot. So again, if the solvent is water and we're just mixing in different solutes, we're looking at what the effect is on the boiling point of this solvent, water, when there is solute mixed in. So we'll let's see here, 100.44. Let's do that and reset. And now for the freezing point for calcium chloride, 3.2 grams. So again, normally water would freeze at 0 degrees Celsius, but we are going to see a different freezing point registering because of the solute present. So this time we get negative 1.56 degrees Celsius, and that is for the calcium chloride freezing point. Reset. All right, now we're going to go and do the sodium chloride, but we're going to double the amount that we had originally, so to 3.4. There we go. And start with hot, just to be consistent. And so again, normally we see water boiling at 100 degrees Celsius, but since we've mixed in a solute, mixed in 3.4 grams of sodium chloride in this case. We're going to see what the boiling point actually is with that solute in there. And we get about 100.57 degrees Celsius. So just to keep in mind, when you go to look at your numbers later, you are, there's always going to be a little bit of variability in that last digit. So you can see the, temperature jumping around a little bit. So if we're looking for relationships, like, the amount the temperature went up or down by, and how much it changed, you want to look for a ballpark, like did it kind of go up by double, did it triple? And again, there may be a little bit of variability in that last digit, so it might not be an exact amount, but kind of look at it from that perspective, just remembering we have a little bit of variability and jumping around in the last digit. Okay, so this for the 3.4 grams of sodium chloride, now we're at negative 2.02 degrees Celsius. So that's your data. Answer the questions. Good luck.